Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewers, today's paper is about late Neoproterozoic, early Palaeozoic stratigraphic succession, Western Himalaya, North Pakistan. Detrital, zircon, provenance and tectonic implications. Muhammad Qasim is the lead author. Viewers, this paper presents the first ever detrital zircon UPBHF isotopic study for the late Neoproterozoic early Palaeozoic stratigraphic succession exposed in the Hazara Basin, Western Himalaya, North Pakistan. This time span represents the breakup of the supercontinent Rhodania and final assembly of the Gondwana. The detrital record of the late Neoproterozoic succession indicates well-mixed detritus shed from within the Indian craton, especially the central Indian provenance, including the Delhi Fold Belt, Aravalli or origin and Bundelkhand craton. Dissimilarities with the detritus signatures from Australian continent may indicate break of the Rhodania supercontinent and detachment of Australia from India prior to similar to 754 MA, which is the depositional age of the Hazara Formation. The presence of the metamorphism and deformation in the rocks below the unconformity supports each of the event prior to deposition of early Palaeozoic Aptabad formation. Similarly, the appearance of the Pan-African detritus in the early Palaeozoic Aptabad formation could be due to closure of the Ocean basin between eastern and western Gondwana along the Mozambique structure. This provenance change may indicate the final assembly of supercontinent Gondwana. Viewers, this article was published in September to October 2018 in the Geological Journal. Viewers, I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.